Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in, reset password and create an account in Hancock Bank online. So, first of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop and in the web address bar type in hancockwhitney.com and hit enter. Then it will take you to the official homepage of Hancock Bank, where on the right side of the screen you can see a login box, where if you want to log in, first of all you'll have to select your account type, and once you've selected your account type, enter your username and click view an account. But if in case you forgot your password and you want to reset your password, you can reset it by clicking the option trouble logging in, which is below view your account option. And there you'll have to select your issue. Your issue can be either I forgot my password or I think my account is locked. In order to reset our password, we'll click I forgot my password, and there you'll have to enter your username or email address. And once you've followed all the steps provided to you, you can reset your password successfully. And if you have a bank account but are not enrolled to online banking of Hancock Bank, you can enroll to online banking services by clicking the option Enroll Now, and there you'll have to enter your social security number, date of birth, account number, ATM or debit card number, and enter the amount of one of your last 10 transactions. And once you've done that, click Continue, and you'll be successfully enrolled to online banking of Hancock Bank. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.